We pushed Colwyn Bay to the last game of the season. How is the mood in the dressing room?
A bit deflated.
Yeah.
Obviously, we've led for so long. Congratulations to Colwyn Bay first and foremost, because end of the day, if you win a title, you deserve it, don't you? So
yeah.
Felt like it was in our hands. We've had results where we've just not got over the line, and it's cost us, unfortunately. And Colwyn Bay kept winning, put the pressure on us, and that's all we could do. And that's all we could do today going into it. So, yeah, it's deflating. It's just one of them, isn't it? And you go again.
A goal for you today. On a personal note, that's you top goal scorer.
Yeah.
How is that a target that you set yourself at the beginning? I know we spoke about it before.
Definitely, yeah. When Skip and Chappers signed me in the summer, it was basically come in, top scorer in the league, and go from there. So personally, yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you think it's not worth anything. So, but yeah, personally, it's great for me. That's what I've brought here to do. But yeah, it's just one of them, isn't it?
Bit of a nervy game at the end, then.
Yeah, to be fair to them, we stuck it on us second half. It's not the greatest pitch. You can't exactly play football. It's just one of them at the end of the season. But yeah, fair play to them. They stuck it on us second half. But I thought, to be fair, we stood up and be counted for. And you know, there's games and times we've gone there.
Yeah.
But no, fair play to the lads. They stuck at it, and I thought overall probably deserved the win.
Well, we've still got games to look forward to. So we got the final next Friday, and then a couple more after that.
Yeah.
How would you prepare for them?
Same as always.
Yeah.
Same as always. Season's not done.
No.
Apart from, but yeah, it's cup finals. Cup finals always good to be a part of. Good to look forward to.
Well, you were involved in the proper final last next year.
Defending the title.
Yeah. For yourself.
But yeah, it's one of them. We look forward to it now. This is done and dusted. As soon as we've gone into the changes there, you know, focus shifts. It's Bangor on Friday in the cup final, and then hopefully, I think we deserve a bit of silverware this year. But yeah, it's just one of them. If we can get hands on silverware, it's great.
Okay, thank you.